Join your hands and close your eyes. O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. So today we will conduct a revision test in 5 marks. Okay, only 5 marks. There will be 5 questions and 5 marks. So ma'am will write the questions here. You can write a question and answer in your notebook. Okay, and after 10 or 15 minutes we will discuss the answers. So you can check your answers and you can put marks. Okay, and you have to show me how much mark you got it. Okay. Okay. So please take your notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. Please take a notebook. Take a fresh page.
Notebook or rough?
Take a notebook. Take a fresh page.
Ma'am, notebook back page we can write.
Okay, okay. Back page you take. You take a back page, no problem. So I'm going to share the screen. You write a question and answer. Okay. And you have to check also. We will discuss after some time. We will check the answers. So shall we start? So for the exam, main exam, you have to write your name and all. Okay, name, class, and division, subject. It should be there in the paper. As like last year, for the second time, we written the written test was there. No, the same way. You have to write your name, class, and division, subject, and all. Now today, let me write. Let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So at the top, you can write the revision test.
Ma'am, revision test.
Yeah. Revision test. Now we have the first question here.
Ma'am,
Yes, please tell me.
write the name
You can
and
write
division.
in class and division and all, you can write here. Name you can write here. If you are
Ma'am,
on,
the question.
yes. Write the number name.
Ma'am, write the question.
Yes. Write the expanded form. 565. Now the third question. Arrange in ascending order.
Ma'am, only answer.
You can write a question and answer. You can write a question and answer. Only one question only. So you can write the answer. Arrange in ascending order. 186, 168, 108, 160. Now fourth one.
Ma'am, we have to write question also.
Better write question and answer. The same questions I will forward in the group also. Write the standard form.
Ma'am, please.
700 plus 60 plus 5. We have enough time. It's only 9:18. See, up to 9:50. Time is here, no? So you can write a question as well as answer.
Ma'am, please wait me. Rihan.
Why I should wait for you? Let me complete the question. You can write. We have enough time. It's a test, no?
Ma'am, which book?
You can take a Max notebook. You can take a back page of your Max notebook. You can write the question and answer. Okay? No need to wait for anyone. You can write the question, you can write the answer. After 10 or 15 minutes, we will discuss the answer. Just 1 minute, I will show you. Just 1 minute, let me take it gone. No need to wait for others, my dear. You can write. Now, only one more question, fifth question. Write the ordinal number and short form. And we have A, that's 4. And B, we have 7. Only this much, only 5 questions. So please write a question and answer.
Ma'am,
And we can check after.
write it, question, write it.
You can write a question and answer, my dear. It's only 9:20. We have up to 9:50, no? So we have enough time. So you can write a question and answer.
You send the WhatsApp.
Anyway, I will send in the WhatsApp. Better you write a question and answer. It's only 9:20 now. Okay, we will discuss after 35. Means I am giving 15 minutes. Only 5 questions. At 9:35 only we will discuss the answer. Okay, so that much time is here. Slowly you can write the question and answer. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I will read for you. I think it's familiar to you all.
10 minutes. Ma'am, Sarah is later coming in 10 minutes.
You have enough time, my dear. You start now, no problem. Now it is only 9:21 and we will discuss it to 9:35 only. We up to 9:50 we have the time, no? So 35 only we will start discussing answers. Sridhar, please turn on your video.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am, the
Ah,
question, ma'am.
question is there on the board, no? You can see the question?
Yes.
Oh, then what's the problem? Then those who are not confident to write the questions, you do one thing, write the question number and write the answer. Okay, later you have to complete it when I will send the notes in the notebook, means in the group. Write the number, that question number you write that number also and write the answer. Anyway, at 9:35 you have to stop it. We will check the answers. You will put the marks and you have to show me. Siddharth, are you writing the answers?
Ma'am, the should finish that.
So please be quiet. You please check your answers. Please be quiet. No need to tell me I have completed. It will be a disturbance for others. So if you have completed, you can be quiet. You can check your answers once again. At anywhere 9:35 only we will start checking. Question, write the answer. Agnay, are you writing? Yes. Adam, Risan, Asmira, please turn on your video. Edelan, please turn on your video. It's only 29 students.
Ma'am, we have exam.
We have exam means now we have revision test. You have the answers.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
I don't know the fourth question answer.
If you don't know, you can leave. You can please write to the next one.
Ma'am, I cannot.
Agnes is here. Agnes. No. Aisha. No. Ayush. Then Dhruva. Karthik. Krishnapriya. Malavika. Maithili, Nakshatra, Rudvik, Aaron. These are the absentees.
Ma'am, Ivania present.
Ivania present, I know. Those
Ma'am?
names I call out, they only absent. Okay. Okay, Junaid, tell me.
Now I get the answer.
Okay, good. You have enough time. Up to 9:35 you can write. Okay. After that only we will check the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Sridhar, did you complete the answers? Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, Ivania completed.
Those who have completed, please check it once again. Okay. No need to tell me completed. You please check once again. We have 5 more minutes. 5-6 minutes are there. So you can check it once again. Arati completed? Okay, good. Nice handwriting, Arati. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear.
Mama, now.
Manav completed. Yes, Manav. Very good. Good handwriting. Good, good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Tomorrow also we will have the test, okay? We will have the test tomorrow. The same way, 5 marks test paper will be there. We have 4 more minutes. Please write. Please complete it.
Ma'am, tonight is completed.
Okay, good, Junaida. Sudhakirti also completed. Okay, good.
Ma'am, Henry. Ma'am, Sandra completed.
Okay, good, good. Very good.
Ma'am, Henry.
It's okay. No need to tell me completed. You can show me the thumbs up. That's enough. Okay. Okay, Austin. Good. Austin also completed. Good. We have 3 more minutes. Don't worry. Those who are writing, please complete it. Hayan also completed. Good. Those who have already completed, you can check your answer once again. Okay, Eidel also completed. Okay, Eidel, you can keep it down.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good. We have 2 more minutes. After that only I will check. You can check your answers once again. Just I will read out the absentees once again. See, Agnes Jojo, Aisha, Ayush Tej, Dhruva, Karthik, Krishnapriya, Malavika, then Maithili Nakshatra, then we have Ridvik and Irene. Ivani also completed. Good.
Sarah.
What about Abhinav?
Ma'am, Sarah finished.
Okay. What about Abhinav?
Ma'am, no.
No. Okay, please complete it. We have time.
Ma'am,
Rizwan has completed.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Meghadesh completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone to complete or shall we start the checking?
Yes, ma'am. No, yes, ma'am. It's not completed.
John Judy, write fast. It's already 9:35. Please complete it fast.
Ma'am, finished.
Good.
Mary Hunt completed.
Okay, good boy.
Why?
Okay, Adinath, good. John Judy, fast.
On Friday's exam, maths exam.
Tomorrow the same way we'll have a revision test. This is actually chapter 3, no? So 1 and 2 we can combine and take it like that exam.
Which chapters?
1 and 2. 1 and 2. This third chapter, no? So 1 and 2 together we can take like that 5 marks questions. John Judy, shall I start? John Judy, shall I start? Which question?
Both.
Both only. Right fast. Right.
Right. ദുർകുട്ടിക്ക് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ന്യൂസ്
So we are starting the checking. Okay. Now you please listen here. Please listen here. Now you can stop writing answers and please listen to ma'am. Okay. And here we have the first question. Here we have the first question. Adina, please read the first question.
Write the number name.
Write the number name. 841. What's the number?
841.
Yes, 841. You can check your answers and if the answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. Okay. So ma'am will write the answer here. EIGHT.
Ticket. Correct answer ticket.
You can put 1 mark. HUNDRED 841. See, FORTY. There is no U in 40. Okay, you have to check it properly. 41.
That's correct.
No need to tell me correct. No need to tell me. Please mute your device. If the answer is correct, you can put 1 mark here. Okay. And let me tell you one thing. Before writing the answer, you can, if you are putting the marking the places, it will be easy for you. Hundreds, tens, ones. So 841. Now, if the answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. Now, Megadharsh, please unmute and read question number. Please read question number 2.
Write the expanded form.
Write the expanded form. 565. What's the answer, Megadharsh?
500
500 plus 60 plus 5. See, listen, before writing the answer, please mark the places. Okay, so we can write hundreds, tens, ones. So 5 hundreds, 6 tens, 5 ones. So the answer is 500 plus 60 plus 5. If your answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. Now we can move to the next one. Junaida, please read question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read question number 3.
Arrange in ascending order.
Yes, arrange in ascending order. Read the numbers.
186.
Okay, 186.
168.
Uh,
108. 160.
Okay, please, others, please mute your device. Now let us write the answer. Okay, what is the answer, Junita? Here, ascending order. So ascending order means writing the numbers from
Small to
smallest to biggest. So in these numbers, we have to find out the smallest one, and all the 4 numbers having 3 digits. No, so we can move to the next step. We will compare which, please? We will compare the hundreds place. Okay, here in hundreds place, here 1, here also 1, here also 1, here also 1. All the numbers having same digit. So we will move to the next step. What is the next step? Compare the
ones place.
no, after 100 we will go after place. Here in 186 it's 8, 168 it's 6, 108 it's 0, 160 it's 6. So which is smallest?
108.
Please be quiet. Junita, tell me the answer.
108.
108. Very good. 108. Then here we have in 186 it's 8, 168 it is 6.
160.
160 we have 6. 168 and 160 both having same 10. So we will move to the next step. What is the step? Compare the
Ones, please.
compare the ones place. Compare the ones place. So Juneta, which is smaller in 168 and 160? Juneta, what will come? Next number. 168, 160. Which number will come? Juneta, what is the next number? 100 and?
60.
Is it 68 or 60?
160.
160. So this also completed. Now, which is the next number?
168.
168. Now the last one, the biggest one. That is
186.
86. Okay. If your answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. The answer is 108, 160, 168, 186. Now, Aradhi, please unmute and read question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Write the standard form. 765.
Very good. 765. Here we can see 100 space. It is 7. 10 space it is 6. 1 space it is 5. Okay. So before writing the answer, if you are putting places, it will be more easy. Hundreds, tens, ones. If there will be 20, it is hundreds. If it is 10, it is tens. Without 0, it is 1 space. So the answer is 765. If your answer is correct, you can write 1 mark. You can put 1 mark.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome, my dear. Now we can move to the last one. Marin, please read question number 5. Marin, please read question number 5.
Write the ordinal number and short form.
Write the ordinal number and short form. And we have the first one, A.
4.
4. So the answer is, the ordinal number is Fourth. Fourth. And the short form is, write the number 4 and at the top it is TH. Now B, we have 7.
7.
7. E-V-N-T-H. And write the number 7 here. So if your answer is correct, you can put 1 mark. So it's out of 5. Okay, out of 5. Now all of you please show me the mark. You please add all the marks and you please meet in.
Star.
Yes, Edel Maria.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, Sarah. Put stars.
If you got 4 marks, you can put 3 stars. No problem. I want to see the marks. Let me see the marks. Okay, Sridhar. What about you? How much you got it, Sridhar?
5 out of 5.
Yes, many got full marks. Very good, very good. Sira?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Very good, very good. Manav? Manav?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Okay, good. Juneta? Juneta, how much?
The screen.
Juneta, how much?
5 out of 5.
Okay, good, good. I will share the screen. I will share the screen. Just 1 minute. Some didn't complete the answers. Okay, I will ask here. Edel Maria, how much? Others, please be quiet. I will ask you. Edel Maria, how much mark you got it?
5 out of 5.
Good. Rihan Hanifa, how much?
May I go to the toilet?
Yes, yes.
Out of 5.
5 out of 5. Okay, good. Ivania, show me the page. How much mark you got it, Ivania? 5 out of 5. Is there anyone below 5? Johan Judy, how much?
And Sandria.
Okay, I will ask you, Sandria. Johan Judy, how much? Show me the page. Show me the page. How much mark you got it? Johan Judy? Can't hear?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Who got 5 out of 5?
Austin.
Austin got very good. Johan Judy, what is the marks? Johan Judy, what is the mark? Total mark.
I get 5 out of 5.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, Mary 100 the 5 out of 5.
Very good, very good. Okay, is there anyone below 5? Or if you, is there any question I should repeat again? I should tell the answer again. Is there any question like that? Out. Okay. Abhinav MP, show me your mark. Abhinav. Abhinav, what about you? Please be quiet. Abhinav, show me your mark. Abhinav, where are you, Abhinav? I can't see Abhinav. So all the students got 5 out of 5. Okay, Abhinav. Abhinav, what is your mark, Abhinav? Show me.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
I will share, just 1 minute. Adinath got 5 out of 5. Very good. Abhinav, I can't see the mark. Did you put marks for the answers?
Sandria.
Sandria, how much?
5 out of 5.
Okay, very good, very good.
And Henry.
Henry, how much?
5 out of 5.
Okay, good. I saw. Very good, very good. Aradhi, very good. Aradhi, very good. So those who got a 5 out of 5, you can put stars. Okay? You can put stars. So thank you for all. We will meet in the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.